Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia and today I want to draw with you a February spread. February is a month of love and therefore I thought, well, it gets some flowers and some hearts and all that fun stuff when it's February just around the corner. And here's what you need. Sure, you need your bullet journal, whatever it is. I have the scribbles that matter. Then a micron fine liner and some Tombow dual brush pen, and then we can get started. I start by drawing a few dots here and there to make sure I don't miss the box lines. So that is how I start, because I want to draw them by hand and not use a set square or something else. I just want to go around by hand and make it really look handmade. So it's really meant to be like that, but because of that I really need the dots so I'm not getting out of line. You see, I draw all the boxes for all the 7 days, so I have that out of the way and can keep drawing my headings for each of the boxes. And then I have on the left some space for the month and for the monthly overview. You see, the headings do not look that equal as well, and again it's meant to be like that because I think it gives the whole thing a more handmade touch. You can do it completely different, of course, it's totally up to you. And on the right side I draw a little box inside just to add the dates a little later. And then I start adding February here on top left, and I'm using the fake calligraphy. I didn't want to use the Tombow pen just because it gets really bold if I do that from time to time, so I better thought I use the micron fine liner and use the fake calligraphy here and just add a few bold lines here. And once that is done, I add my monthly overview. I decided to use really bright colors for this spread, so you see me using a peachy or, well, a little bit like pink color here for the headings, so just to give it a constant look and feel. And also the monthly overview gets the same color. And when that is done, I start drawing the little glasses here on the bottom left and add some flowers into it. I usually try to use the corner of the boxes for that glass, yeah, so it doesn't look weird. And if I cannot make the glass into the corner, I use a flower stamp in that area, so it's always looking as if it is standing in front of the box and not between it somehow. So I thought it would look weird otherwise, so that's why I'm doing it like that. Otherwise I would have had to draw the glasses first and then add later these boxes, and well, I thought that I could really mess up the spread, so that is why I decided to do it this way. Drawing all these glasses takes a few minutes, as you can see, but I first want to have that sorted out, have all the glasses there, have all the different flowers there, and then I start coloring them. So now before I get on the coloring, I thought I first add a little heart and yeah, a path to the heart from one heart to the other. You can interpret it as you wish, but yeah, it's meant to be like that. It's February is about love. That's why I thought it would be nice. And then we finally use the Tombow brush pens. Yes, I decided to use really bright pens, and then I add a little bit more touch, a little bit more color with a darker one, but just a little bit, and I really don't feel it that perfectly. I thought it would be nice to have it, you know, just look a little bit like messy. So, and then I use the brush pen, no, the brush actually, and add a little bit of water to make it look like watercolor. And here you see me adding the dates of the week. You can of course add this for each week of the month. It doesn't matter, just as you prefer. And yeah, I hope you like that. So that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. Yeah, it really means a lot to me. Or leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. So, and then I can just say I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye.